Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Desktop tutorial. In today's lecture we'll talk about donut and bar chart. Go from insert and you have donut from here chart. We have two things. We have the legend and we have the value. From the legend I'm gonna add category, have category name, and the value I want to evaluate. This is the total order. I'm gonna put the total order from here. Okay, and can adjust that. And you have a couple of formatting you can do. Just if you click on here, you will have the format and have the title, the legend, and you can put the center of the legend, and you have the slicer from here. You're gonna modify from here the title and make it bigger. So this is the order. This is ordered by category, and you have it bold. Keep it alignment in the middle, and back again, and make it minimize. We have detail label also. Details label. It's a position if you need to keep it inside or keep it outside. Okay. And you can remove the legend. You can back again. And also you have slicers from here. You can apply setting to all the values and you can choose whatever and you change it from here. So now, and there is easy way to change, to switch between charts. If you need to go from here and for suggestions, you can back to the bar chart. From here, you can do a couple of things if you like. So from here, if you need to modify the chart, click on the y-axis and then right click, you can delete it manually. And this for x-axis, you can click on it, delete. Also, if you need to remove that, just click on delete and we can insert the data label. So if you select the chart and then right click, add data labels, and you'll have the format from here is open. You go for data label, have the position. I'm gonna keep it outside end. And okay, also we have the titles. If you need to highlight the titles, if you like, you add the titles from here. Have the value. You can make it bold, and you can have the supply unit. You can change the unit. This is in K, and also you have the put value decimal point place. You can put 1. If you change the color, if you like, from here, and you can do whatever you like. There is a lot of options from here, and also we have the tooltips. If you back again, we see you have the tooltips. We can go from click on the table and back the properties and go for tooltips. We can change also, go for the text, make it bold. This is white, the value color, you can put this color, this is white, and also can change the background, can make it dark. If you back again, you'll see you will have the tooltips now changing the formatting. And now if you click for accessories, for category name, for accessories, so you'll see all the values are changing. For this is dynamic dashboard. We look for bike. Now you'll see all the bike is changing. If you go for clothing, everything is changing. And you can easily switch between chart, or you can just click on the chart and then you will have insert from here. You can back to the bar chart. You can do whatever you like. You can easily switch between them. But now let's gonna keep them. This is the bar chart. Okay, and also we have the filter. We have 3 type of filter. If we click on here, you can click on this table, go for filter, can remove the format. You see we have filters on this visuals. If you click on any chart, you will have the filter for this visual. This allows you to filter your data. For example, category name. If you click on here, this is filter type, the basic filter. If you need to select only for accessories, bike, clothing, and you can deselect this filter from this eraser, the clear filter, you'll back to the normal. And also we have another two type of filter. This is filter on this page, the whole page, and this is filter on all page, include this layout and the other layouts. So if we go from data pane and looking for country, And if you select this country and we put in this the filter for this page, add the field in here, and if you select now France, you will see all the data now changing because we changed the country. But if you go to the customer details, this will remain the same, is not changing. And if you remove it from here and put the country in the filter for all pages, if you select France, this is changing. If you're back to the customer, now the value is changing because we put the filter on all pages. Okay, so I can remove it from here, back to the executive dashboard, and you can also, it's gonna put back in here, insert donut. It's gonna put more donuts and play with it. Gonna value from here. We put the from here. This is income. This is income level, and the value you want to evaluate. This is the total. This is the total order. This is the total order. Okay. So you can see we have income level. If you click on the chart now, go for filter. You will have, this is the filter on this visuals. I was gonna go for income level. We have select all. I was gonna select. We don't need to select the blank. We need only the average and the high and low and very high. And after that, you can double click, remove the format, double click on the chart, and you'll have the formatting. You can do whatever you like. The title, if you need to remove the title, keep the title. And you can also modify the title. This is orders. This is total order by income level. You can keep it, you can change whatever you like. Keep it bold, alignment in the middle, horizontal alignment, and we have details labels, the position. You can change it. This is you can change this inside and keep it outside. And we have the slicers. We can change the color, apply setting 2. We need to go for the average. I change the color for the average from here. Go for color. You can put whatever color you like. If you keep it dark, and if you go, I need to change. This is for low. Change color. I need to go for more colors. Gonna put from like red from here, and you can do whatever you like. So you can do all these, and so now if you click on the average, you see everything is modified, it's changing. You go for the low, everything is changing. And also you can do a couple of things. You can make it low, and after you create the first one, you can just copy, paste, take the other one, and all you have to do just to change the data type from here in Kavlamo. You can put this is have occupation, and you will have this is the total order, and double click when you to change the data. This total order by occupation is already changing from here, so you can keep it down. So this is how to build a donut chart and bar chart within Power BI. We are going step by step. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.